North Myrtle Beach Electrician Pros is an experienced company, and we strive to maintain excellent quality and service. We provide electrical services for residential, industrial, and commercial customers. Ours is a full-service electrical company. Our entire team has many years' experience in the electrical industry, and we guarantee that we can accurately and quickly diagnose any electrical problems you may be experiencing. We offer full-scale solutions and services for electrical installation, repair, and maintenance. Our goal is 100% customer satisfaction, and we are dedicated to serving your needs. Our company is proud to have built itself on a foundation consisting of well-qualified employees, loyal customers, and the determination to go beyond the call of duty. Our website is www.nmbelectricianpros.com, and our phone number is 843-491-4489. Give us a call today.